Hello everybody, my name is Marlon Naiston. I'm a product design student at Genk, a small city located in Belgium at the LUCA School of Arts campus. And I had the pleasure to participate in this project because of my role in a co-working space I'll introduce a little bit later on in the video. We first start with our trip to the Aalto Design Factory, which is the space that they used for the workshops they were given to us, where we had the pleasure to pitch our own ideas. As you can see here, my dear friend John is pitching his idea for a virtual reality application to combat anxiety with young students who have to perform concerts.
Also to develop other skills that maybe a musician would never have.
Of course, these kind of pitches give us the opportunity to practice and learn from what we have to say. And as here you can see, I also had the honor to pitch my own idea, my passion for design, as well as the project I'm working on, which will give you a little bit context here, is a giant space in the middle of the city of Genk, which hosts around 20 students who use this workhouse, the direct translation from werkhuis, as a creative space they can use for their projects, which they often don't have the room for at home. We provide this room at a relatively cheap price so they can make their own projects and bring their work from school to a safe working space. Hereby, I was able to tell the story of our space, of our workhouse, while still focusing on a couple of struggles we have and the things that we're trying to accomplish. And as these things went, the day flew by. And although there were lots of things that we learned, I think the most valuable thing about this trip was definitely the company we had and the new insights we gained just from connecting with other people and networking. And therefore, I have to be extremely thankful.